Mr. Manager.
Hey, I just gotta put the finishing touch on my new desk. Love you, Pop.
Yo, dog!
Sykes!
All right, partner. Let's see what you can do.
Sykes and Oscar's Whale Wash is now open for business. Yo, E, B, let's get this party bumpin'! Yo, yo!
Is he the other wheels upstairs?
Yo, Christina, Missy, how about we have a little Oscar-licious fun?
Small tuna fish on one big catch.
You might not ever get rich.
Warm it up, I'll be warming it up.
It's better than digging a ditch.
Look at here. Oh, Johnny's at home. My
I'm a star on maybe a couple months.
What's up, Jimbo? Let it go.
Hey, Angie. Sorry, Pop and I are late, but we brought some new customers.
Hey, how you doing?
Wow.
Okay, guys, come on in.
No, snap it. You're not snapping it.
I'm snapping it. I'm snapping it.
It's okay. A lot of great whites can't do it, yo.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
What's up with what?
Yo.
Hey, you say yo one more time and I'm gonna yo you.
I'm sorry.
I'll pitch your high.
All right.
What am I? A clown to you?
Sharks in the
Keep up
water
with me,
make
don't
their
let me
jaws
lose you.
lock. When I
'Cause you're
swim
not
through the
losing.
rim, I'm too high. Y'all can make your best, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one
In your
big catch.
face.
Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst
You don't want
nightmare.
none of this.
Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this
it down,
service. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fast stack coming. That's why I
Working at the car wash. Come on, walk, baby, walk it, send down the car wash. Come on, walk, baby, walk it, send down the car wash. Working at the car wash. So come on. Now keep it coming. So you may not ever get rich, but
a shark